How's it going, everyone? This is the No Sabo Crypto Kid, and I'm back for another video. So, if you can take anything out of this video today is, one, if you're going to get into the crypto space, the crypto market, and you're waiting for some sort of indication, now would be a great time to, throw your chips in, get some exposure to some cryptos. Doesn't have to be super crazy. It's better for you to have something in the market right now before it starts going a little bit crazy, right? More people start coming in. These lows that are currently happening right now, they're probably not going to be here in the next few months. There's going to be a time where you're going to be stuck at the top and you're going to think that there's still a little bit more to go, and you're going to be left with your bags until, the next bull run. So get in now, get your positions in. You can always DCA later. You never know what's going to happen. So let's start off with the crypto market update. Big things are happening in the market right now, from government's drama to Bitcoin's price swing. And even altcoins starting to wake up. My portfolio is in the green. It was kind of in the red, but I was still in profit. Now I'm more in profit. So, hey, I've been waiting for a while. So, I get to leave a little bit earlier. You might have to stay a little bit longer. But if you get in now, you can get in somewhat the same as when, other people's get in. Everything's lining up for an important shift. Let's break it down in simple terms. In the U.S., there's talks of another government shutdown. This happens when leaders cannot agree on a budget. It doesn't stop everything, but it does cause a lot of uncertainty. Whether this happens, gold usually gets more attention as a safe place for your money. Bitcoin's reaction has been mixed. Sometimes it rises, sometimes it drops, but the important thing here is that markets usually expect this ahead of time. The real story is how people react once it actually happens. So, it's already taken into consideration, right? The whole shutdown of the government, that's fine. Money still has to flow. Now, about Bitcoin. The chart shows that it's sitting at some very important levels right now. If it breaks above the current resistance, we could see another rally. But if it loses support, price might dip before moving higher again. From what I've seen, not World Liberty Coin. Give me the Bitcoin. Bitcoin. I don't have it. What? The resistance for whoa. For Bitcoin, I think it's roughly like around 120, 125. If Bitcoin can go above the 125 level, then we have something good happening. But you never know. There could be market manipulation. It needs to follow through, though. Altcoins are pretty quiet. Some of them are moving sideways for now. This usually means they're getting ready for really big moves. Some might break out, others might fall back. The key lesson is do not rush in too early. Wait until the move is clear, but if you wait too long, you're going to be stuck. That's not what you want. You see momentum right now. You see a lot of these coins that rallied fairly intensely, right? Like PNG. It's not super crazy, but check this out. Let's just say a year ago, 2024, right? That one weird little upside, right? It was at just go all the way. Let's see, where is it? Right here, right? This is when I got into the market, around this time. 7 cents, 9 cents, and then boom, 62 cents. That's within days. 20, boom, on the 27, 62 cents. 8 cents, 62 cents. It was insane. That little pump that I should have taken more advantage of. It was insane. A lot of these cryptos that pumped previous, right, in 2024 are pretty much set to do good again once Bitcoin starts gaining more momentum. At least that's what I think. That's why I'm just going to be DCAing into most of my plays. Where am I? Where was I? Right around here, right? Give or take. And then it went, boom, 35 cents. Yes, it did come down to 10 cents. And then, boom, again, 35 cents. And then it's just, it's just waiting at 14 cents. It's just doing it. There's the stairways, right? Either way, if you get in to altcoins, to any coin that did well within the last year, most likely it's gonna go back to its highs. That's the way I see it. Just go back to the coins that did well. Don't try anything new. Just go back, see the template. That's what I'm gonna do. ABT, LCX, PNG, Turbo. I said Turbo twice. Toshi. Even XRP. I don't know why I got XRP, but I have some XRP just for funsies. But the big picture. So what's the key takeaway? Shutdown news might shake things up a little bit. Bitcoin is testing, bigger levels, and altcoins are waiting for their turn. It feels like something's big is finally going to happen, but patience is key. Too much patience is a bad thing. Have some patience. If you've been waiting this whole time, I mean, I've been waiting since 2024, the beginning of 2024. So patience is key, but you have to know when to get in. And the market always rewards those who wait for the right moment. I think right now is a great moment, and you should take advantage of this. So stay calm, watch the charts, do not chase the hype. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and let me know in the comments what you think, or what are you buying? If you think this is a big breakout or just another fake move. This could be another fake out. They're gonna run up Bitcoin to maybe 125, maybe 130, and then boom, back down to 107, making people lose interest, making people leave the market. I mean, you never know. This could be the final push, though. This could be October. Now, with that, I'm not gonna dilly-dally. I told you what I'm buying. LCX, PNG, ABT, Toshi, Turbo. What's another one? Dia. I think that's the one I have. Aerodrone is a good one. There's Sui. There's WorldCoin. There is so many coins out there right now. But I'm just going to stick with what I know might have the better chance and could maybe retrace to what the higher highs were before. Maybe even make more highs, right? Better gains, I guess. I don't know. With that, though, I'm going to end it here. It's getting pretty late. I have work tomorrow in the morning, so see you guys next time.